Hi, I'm Tim, and today I am going to show you how to use and make money with ApeSwap Pools. ApeSwap Pools are one of the simplest ways to earn tokens on ApeSwap. ApeSwap has the highest and most consistent APRs over any other established protocol. By staking Banana or G-Nana, you can earn Banana or tokens from projects that work with us. Usually, G-Nana pools have higher APRs, and each G-Nana is valued at 1.389 times the Banana price. If you don't have Banana yet, you can watch this video by clicking the top right pop-up or the link in the description. So, to use ApeSwap Pools, click Pools. You will now see all the different pools where you can stake your tokens. In this case, we will use Stake Banana, Earn Banana Pool. Click Enable and confirm the action in your wallet. Then click Stake. Write the amount of tokens you want to stake, click Confirm, and confirm once again the action in your wallet. You should now see your staked tokens in the pool. Once you stake them, you will start earning tokens automatically, and there are two things you can do with those earned tokens. The first one is to harvest them, and you will receive them in your wallet, and the second one is to ape harder, which will add your earned tokens into the same pool, maximizing your earnings. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.